Hello and welcome to our news video. Subscribe to our channel and share your comments so that you don't miss any important news. Ohio Senator proposes legislation for second state Bitcoin reserve. Bitdeer acquires Canadian mining site, leading to plummeting stock prices. Wazirks's restructuring plan faces outrage. Is it even real? Bitcoin mining difficulty experiences notable shift amid declining production rates. Ohio Senator proposes legislation for second state Bitcoin reserve. In a notable development within the cryptocurrency landscape, an Ohio state senator has recently put forward a legislative proposal that aims to establish a second reserve fund for Bitcoin within the state's financial framework. This initiative is seen as a significant step towards integrating digital currencies into the traditional financial systems of states, advocating for a more robust framework to support and utilize cryptocurrencies in the public sector. Advocates argue that introducing a state-level Bitcoin reserve could enhance financial sovereignty and stability while encouraging innovation and investment in the blockchain technology sector. The legislative proposal has emerged amidst growing interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, as more states explore ways to incorporate these digital assets into their financial strategies. With Bitcoin's proven resilience as a store of value, proponents of the bill believe that a state-backed reserve could potentially insulate the state's finances from economic fluctuations. Furthermore, the bill is expected to provide a clear regulatory framework for the governance of cryptocurrencies, boosting investor confidence and attracting a new wave of businesses to the area. This initiative is not merely a reflection of growing public consensus on the value of cryptocurrencies, it also highlights the ongoing shift in how governmental bodies view digital assets. By adopting Bitcoin as part of the state's financial architecture, Ohio could position itself as a pioneer in the crypto-friendly legislation, thereby potentially leading the way for other states to follow suit. The ramifications of such a move could extend beyond Ohio, influencing national discussions regarding cryptocurrencies and their inherent benefits for state economies. The Ohio Senator's proposal aligns with a broader trend where state-level policies are increasingly responsive to the changing dynamics brought forth by the rise of cryptocurrencies. As more people and institutions recognize that cryptocurrencies can serve as legitimate financial instruments, proposals like this could become commonplace, paving the path for a mainstream acceptance of digital currencies in various economic sectors. This legislative effort marks an important step in the ongoing dialogue about the role of cryptocurrencies in our economy, setting the stage for future developments and discussions. Ohio's bold move may indeed inspire similar legislative efforts across the United States, as the potential benefits of cryptocurrency reserves become more widely acknowledged in both public and private sectors. Bitdeer acquires Canadian mining site, leading to plummeting stock prices. Bitdeer Technologies Group, a prominent cryptocurrency mining company, has recently made headlines by acquiring a significant mining site in Canada, which has resulted in a dramatic decline in the stock prices of the firm. This acquisition is part of Bitdeer's broader strategy to expand its mining operations and improve its overall capacity in the ever-competitive cryptocurrency landscape. However, the immediate reaction in the stock market has not been favorable. Investors have expressed concerns about the implications of this acquisition on Bitdeer's financial health and future prospects. The Canadian mining site, known for its potential to harness renewable energy sources, was seen as a strategic move by Bitdeer to diversify its mining operations. Given that many cryptocurrency mining companies are grappling with increasing energy costs and regulatory hurdles, Bitdeer's decision to invest in a site with sustainable energy capabilities was initially viewed positively by industry analysts. Nevertheless, the swift downturn in stock prices indicates a level of uncertainty among investors, who may be apprehensive about the costs associated with the acquisition or the effectiveness of Bitdeer's strategy in the current market climate. As cryptocurrency markets remain volatile, the importance of strategic decisions by mining companies cannot be understated. The surge in Bitcoin and other digital currencies has led to heightened competition in the mining sector. Companies must be agile, making calculated moves to ensure profitability and sustainability. While Bitdeer's acquisition may indeed enhance its operational capacity, the immediate market response suggests that investors are taking a cautious stance, reflecting broader concerns about market stability and the future outlook for cryptocurrency investments. In summary, while Bitdeer's acquisition of a Canadian mining site aligns with the growing trend of integrating renewable energy in cryptocurrency mining, the adverse reaction in the stock market serves as a reminder of the volatile nature of the industry. Investors are watching closely to see how Bitdeer navigates these developments and whether the acquisition will ultimately prove beneficial for its long-term growth strategy. WazirX's restructuring plan faces outrage. Is it even real? The announcement from WazirX about their newly proposed restructuring plan has led to widespread discontent and criticism, sparking fierce debates within the cryptocurrency community. Many users are expressing their disbelief and disappointment, questioning the efficacy and authenticity of this scheme. Initially, WazirX captured the attention of the cryptocurrency market by positioning itself as a prominent exchange platform. However, the recent developments have left numerous stakeholders feeling skeptical and frustrated. Individuals who have invested time and money into the platform are now voicing their outrage on various social media platforms, citing a lack of transparency and clarity regarding the proposed changes. The proposed restructuring plan purportedly aims to rectify financial setbacks faced by WazirX. Yet, the details surrounding the plan remain vague and ambiguous, leading to further confusion among users who are seeking clearer communication from the platform's management. Many critics argue that the plan comes across as poorly thought out and devoid of any substantial strategic direction. WazirX's failure to provide comprehensive explanations regarding their actions and objectives has intensified the backlash from its user base. Furthermore, the outrage is exacerbated by the fact that several users feel their concerns have been ignored. The trust that users had built with WazirX has been significantly eroded due to the perceived lack of responsiveness from the company's leadership. A substantial portion of the trading community is now concerned about how this restructuring might affect their holdings, trading capabilities, and overall user experience on the platform. In light of such events, many in the cryptocurrency sector are contemplating the future of WazirX. The stark reactions to the announcement showcase the emotional investment that users have in the platform, underscoring how critical it is for exchanges to maintain an open channel of communication with their clientele. If WazirX wishes to regain the trust and confidence of its user base, they must exhibit a commitment to transparency, accountability, and strategic clarity moving forward. The road ahead will undoubtedly be challenging, but the engagement of its community will shape the outcome of this restructuring effort. Bitcoin mining difficulty experiences notable shift amid declining production rates. In recent developments within the cryptocurrency mining sector, there has been a significant change in Bitcoin's mining difficulty. The mining difficulty, which is a critical aspect that determines the amount of computational power required for miners to solve complex mathematical problems and validate transactions on the Bitcoin network, has experienced a notable increase. This adjustment comes at a time when Bitcoin production is facing a dip, raising questions about the implications for miners and the market as a whole. The latest data indicates that the Bitcoin mining difficulty has surged to new heights, marking the third consecutive increment in just a short span of time. This progression is reflective of the network's ongoing adjustments to maintain its protocol and ensure that blocks are added at a consistent rate. While this may seem beneficial for the overall security and functionality of the network, it poses additional challenges for miners, as they now must allocate more computational resources and energy to remain competitive in the Bitcoin mining landscape. Compounded by rising operational costs and fluctuating market dynamics, these changes could compel some miners to reassess their strategies. Certain mining operations may find that profitability is diminished due to the increased difficulty and the associated expenses, which may lead to a consolidation in the mining sector. Smaller players, in particular, may struggle to keep pace, potentially leading to a scenario where only those operations with the most advanced technology and resources can thrive. Moreover, the decreasing production rate of Bitcoin has raised concerns among industry analysts and investors. A decline in the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation can have cascading effects on supply dynamics, influencing market prices and investor sentiment. As scarcity increases, demand may rise, thereby impacting Bitcoin's valuation in the cryptocurrency market. In conclusion, while the Bitcoin network is undergoing necessary adjustments to enhance its security and efficiency, the rising mining difficulty, coupled with a downturn in production, could reshape the competitive landscape of Bitcoin mining. Stakeholders will need to remain vigilant and adaptive in order to navigate these changes effectively.